Why Russian billionaires are secretly moving to the Philippines. Shocking truth. Relocation among the ultra-wealthy is nothing new, but a sudden shift by Russian billionaires towards the Philippines has raised eyebrows within the global finance and business communities. Once tied to glitzy hubs such as London, New York, or Monaco, this elite class is now eyeing a Southeast Asian nation for refuge, privacy, and opportunity. But why the Philippines? And more importantly, what does this mean for global wealth, migration, and geopolitical dynamics? In this video, we'll break down the fascinating reasons Russian billionaires are secretly flocking to the Philippines, diving into the factors at play and the broader implications for finance, economics, and the global elite. The story begins with the mounting pressures on Russian billionaires in today's political climate. With sanctions imposed by Western nations in the wake of geopolitical tensions, many individuals at the top of Russia's financial pyramid are increasingly finding themselves trapped. These sanctions target everything from bank accounts to luxury assets like yachts, real estate, and private jets. Western governments aim to isolate Russia's political and economic influences by freezing their wealth and cutting access to the international banking system. The result? A significant chunk of Russia's ultra-wealthy class is looking for safer havens to park their fortune and lead a quieter, less scrutinized life. Additionally, the social ramifications cannot be ignored. Russian elites are often vilified in the media and face public backlash internationally, forcing them to withdraw from highly visible locations in Europe and North America. As a result, they are seeking destinations that offer escape not just from financial barriers, but also from public scrutiny. Amid this new reality, the Philippines has emerged as a surprising yet attractive destination for these billionaires. You might ask, what makes this Southeast Asian country such an appealing option? Let's break it into the specifics. Firstly, neutrality in geopolitics plays a major role. While much of Europe and North America aligns with Western sanctions, the Philippines has adopted a more balanced approach, avoiding extreme polarization in global power struggles. This neutrality provides a safe and relatively welcoming environment for Russian investors who want to avoid the political barriers they face in other nations. Investor-friendly policies further enhance the Philippines' appeal. Like many other countries in Southeast Asia, the Philippines offers golden visa programs that allow foreign nationals to reside in the country if they invest in specified sectors, including real estate and businesses. These policies not only provide a legal path to residency, but also open doors to lucrative long-term investment opportunities. Moreover, Russia's elite class finds the favorable tax structure in the Philippines particularly enticing. The relatively lower taxation and the country's openness to foreign entrepreneurship create an environment where wealth can grow and remain largely protected. Don't forget the allure of the luxury real estate market. Exclusive properties in cities like Cebu or idyllic destinations like Palawan present not just solid financial investments, but also a gateway to an incredibly lavish lifestyle. Whether it's serene beachfront villas or high-end condominiums in metropolitan business hubs like Makati, the promise of luxury living in paradise often seals the deal for these billionaire migrants. Lastly, the quality of life cannot be overstated. For billionaires seeking a blend of tropical calm and urban amenities, the Philippines offers a perfect balance. Combined with vibrant cities and rich cultural history, the country provides an exclusive yet exotic lifestyle that resonates with individuals looking for meaningful life experiences away from the limelight. Despite the apparent benefits, one of the most intriguing aspects of this trend is the high level of secrecy involved. Why are these moves happening quietly, under the radar? For starters, privacy is paramount for Russian billionaires. In an age when the media and public opinion can have global repercussions, wealthy individuals carefully guard their movements. Relocating discreetly helps avoid unnecessary attention, contentious headlines, and backlash from the public or governments. Moving to the Philippines, where media attention on foreign elite migration is less pronounced, further ensures their privacy. Additionally, relocating quietly minimizes legal and political scrutiny. By avoiding grand displays of wealth or public announcements, these billionaires sidestep conflicts over where their wealth originates and why it's being transferred. This approach protects them from attracting the kind of legal confrontations that often arise when sanctioned individuals funnel money into high-profile markets elsewhere. On a logistical level, the accessibility of legal frameworks in the Philippines may also enable smooth transfers of funds, properties, and assets, paving the way for a seamless transition. The combination of a neutral economy and privacy-enhanced systems creates the perfect landscape for discreet migration. The arrival of Russian billionaires is not just a matter of personal refuge. It has ripple effects on the Philippine economy. The infusion of new wealth directly influences several sectors, particularly real estate and tourism. Real estate prices in luxury markets have already begun reflecting these changes. High net worth individuals bring unprecedented demand for premium properties, from beachfront villas to penthouses in prime locations. This drives up property values, benefiting developers and the local economy, but potentially putting pressure on affordability. The shift also stimulates the tourism and hospitality industries. The billionaire class attracts global attention, drawing related luxury services such as yacht operators, personal security services, bespoke tour providers, and high-end restaurants. These services aim to cater to the preferences and expectations of the newly arrived elite. In addition, the business landscape benefits through investments and partnerships. Many of these billionaires bring not only their wealth, but also their networks, creating opportunities in sectors like tech startups, real estate development, and renewable energy. By entering these industries, their influence can help drive innovation and job creation in the Philippines. This migration reflects deeper shifts in global wealth distribution. The world is witnessing a reshuffling of financial hubs and safe havens, as traditional bastions like Switzerland and London become more restrictive under political pressures. The Philippines, joining the list of alternative sanctuaries, marks a notable shift in the global economic landscape. On a larger scale, this trend serves as a case study in wealth escapism. If billionaires can move their assets with such agility, it raises questions about the ability of any government or international body to impose effective financial oversight. Other nations competing to attract ultra-wealthy individuals may soon emulate the Philippines' approach, leading to broader implications for tax policies, visa regulations, and global investments. Furthermore, this dynamic could escalate competition between countries to attract financial elites, redefining the future of economic policy in developing regions. Not all outcomes of this phenomenon are positive. While the Philippines may gain financially, there are risks and reputational concerns tied to attracting sanctioned billionaires. Accepting wealth that potentially originates from contentious sources could lead to backlash from Western powers or international governing bodies. Critics argue that it sets a dangerous precedent for catering to individuals who may have faced sanctions for political or ethical reasons. This could challenge the Philippines' international image, potentially creating diplomatic frictions. From an economic standpoint, the pressure on local property markets could exacerbate inequality. If housing prices surge due to the influx of foreign wealth, lower-income locals may face difficulties finding affordable homes. Managing the balance between benefiting from luxury investments and safeguarding domestic interests poses a major policy challenge. The secret migrations of Russian billionaires to the Philippines reveal more than just an escape from sanctions. They highlight a larger story of how global financial dynamics are shifting in unexpected ways. Neutrality, luxury, privacy, and business opportunities make the Philippines an attractive new hub for the world's ultra-wealthy. However, this shift comes with implications. Will this trend continue, and could it lead to the Philippines becoming a global haven for the ultra-rich, or will international pressures intervene? As finance enthusiasts, examining such migration patterns provides insight not only into the decisions of the elite, but also into emerging trends in global economics, geopolitics, and business. These movements shape the landscape of wealth management and influence which regions rise on the global financial stage. Let us know what you think. Could the Philippines sustain this role amid global scrutiny? Stay tuned as we continue exploring the extraordinary forces shaping the world's financial future.